Hey, you guys, I am back. You are back with Dawn Today's Cleaning Business LLC. I wanted to come and talk to you guys today to let you guys know about the grand opening and letting you know a couple of other things that I want to talk to you guys about. But for today, I want to introduce myself. My name is Octavia. I am the administrator for Dawn's Today's Cleaning Business. So, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hey, y'all. Hello, everyone. So, we're going to get started. So, first, I want to tell y'all that the grand opening is April the 11th. Okay, so we have a couple of months before the grand opening, and I hope everyone can come and be a part of this grand slam. So, I want everybody that can come to be there, and we're so excited to see you guys' faces on that day. If you guys want to donate to us, you can let me know on my email, which is DawnTodayCleaning@gmail.com, or you can hit me up on my email, which is octaviathomas41@gmail.com, and I will have all of this at the bottom so you guys don't forget while the video is going. Also, you can hit us up on our phone number, which is on the screen as you guys can see, which is 804-324-3433, which is the business number. So you guys can call if you want any information regarding Dawn Today's cleaning services. So let's get into what I wanted to talk about today. So right now we're doing the specials for the basic cleaning and the deep cleaning, which is the basic is 150 to 200, and then the deep cleaning is 250 to 300. But we want to talk about what is a basic clean and what is a deep cleaning. That is what I'm here today to talk about as well. So, a basic clean consists of blinds, dusting, vacuuming, inside of the windows, baseboards, depending on what you want done. Okay. And a deep cleaning is like wiping down light fixtures, cleaning behind the refrigerator, cleaning inside of your refrigerator, cleaning your stove, cleaning ceiling fans, cleaning just cleaning baseboards corner to corner, just cleaning your entire house. That is what a detail clean is. Okay, because I want you guys to understand the difference. So when you call, you know what you're calling for. You either want a general or you want a deep. You want it a basic or you want a deep. You know what I mean? Or you just want disinfectant services, you want window cleaning services, you just want a quick cleaning of your home, you're having guests, a party, whatever it may consist of. We can get it done for you. Dawn Today's can get it done for you. So I wanted to come on here and talk about that. Also, we use environmental friendly, okay? Environmental friendly chemicals that we use. So you don't have to worry about your pets or if you have any allergies or anything like that. Our chemicals are perfectly safe for your home, commercial or residential. So also we do polishing and we do sanitizing as well if you want those things done in your home. And we do not, I want to make this clear. We do not let people know our chemicals. But when we come in your home, you would know what we're using in your home. So if you have any questions regarding what we use, when we come and service you, we will let you know everything that we're using in your home. So you will know that on the time of the cleaning. So I want you guys to get excited about the grand opening, as excited as I am. I want everybody to be there. In the meantime, before the grand opening, you guys, y'all can call us for cleaning so we can service you guys. And I am outie. That is it for today. Bye, y'all.